What is good, yo? Welcome to your favorite weekly podcast, Rebel Broadcast by the one and only Midnight Rebels. At nagbabalik na naman kami. Kasama ko isa sa mga napakalupit na guest natin for this season, the one and only RVP. Hip-hopa na! Yes, sir. Kuya RVP, kamusta?
What's up, Kobe?
What's up,
okay,
kuya?
okay.
Mga kikuyang malupit.
What's up?
So, kuya, first question.
Yeah.
Habang wala pa yung shots natin, cheers po tayo, kuya.
Cheers.
Yes, sir. Para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Kuya RVP ay isa sa mga idol ko dati pa. Nakikita ko siya sa mga OG vlogs ni Tito Ron. Bago pa yung Reels. Tito Ron, shoutout.
What's up?
Okay. Ito, Kuya RVP. So, first question. Kasi marami tayong mga bagong audience, lalo na sa podcast, na mga aspiring DJ, nakikinig sa atin, gusto matuto. So, for the first question, I'm gonna let the man introduce himself. Who is RVP?
Ayan, hello. I'm Reggie Valenzuela. I'm a nightlife event photographer for more than 10 years. And now, DJing for 1 year. Yeah.
So, Kuya, if I'm not mistaken, photographer ka, then you shift to DJing, right?
Yes.
So, sige, bago tayo pumunta, medyo ano yun eh. Medyo exciting yung part niya eh. Ito muna, what does RVP play? What music does he play? Inspiration and stuff?
Yeah, nowadays I play pop. Like, mostly mga Gen Z stuff. Pero I like hip-hop. And yeah, anything undergoes na parang kung anong trip ko, piniplay ko. Pero mostly sa ngayon, mga Gen Z type and pop. Alam mo na, request ng mga bata.
So kuya, as a DJ, as an artist, sino-sino yung mga naging musical inspiration mo?
Like, locally, mga DJ, sabi na natin sa DJ, si Cam Abisina, of course. Si Soap,
Shout out sa
syempre.
Ate Cam.
Ate Cam. Si
Much
Ron.
respect.
Si Ron po. Yan, sila Jet. And sino po mga luma? Sila X Factor. Yan, yung mga nakamulata ko natutong gumimik.
Yes,
So,
sir.
sila yung mga naririnig ko na.
Ay, Nana, padating na tayo shots natin,
Yeah,
no?
shots,
Hi,
shots.
ate!
Interview natin sila. Sabi natin sila.
Yes, sir!
Thank you.
Thank you, ate.
Ikaw muna.
Thank you. Ang gaganda nyo. Joke lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay yun, kuya.
Maganda yun. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
back to the question.
Game.
So, as a photographer,
Yeah.
syempre, everybody knows you as RVP.
Yeah. Siguro.
Paano mo na pagsasabay yung being a nightlife photographer and also a DJ,
Yeah.
and also in the daytime, daddy duties, nakikita ko yung mga posts mo.
yeah.
You're a cool dad, kuya.
Thank
Much
you,
respect.
man. Thank you.
Sobrang
Thank you.
cool mo.
Thank
So,
you.
paano mo siya na pagsasabay-sabay lahat?
Actually, sa mga photo and DJ gigs, parang binibreakdown ko siya ng weekday. I usually shoot like this. Parang tonight, I shoot. And then, the next day, DJing. Parang, pag puro DJ kasi napansin ko when I get na sunod-sunod na gig, medyo nakakapingi siya. And then, hinahanap ko yung passion na still shoot. I wanted to shoot people. I wanted to shoot stuff. So, yun, binibreakdown ko lang. And then, of course, being a daddy, syempre, number one priority, meron schedule for that and everything na yun yung dapat mauna.
Tsaka ano talaga, doon rin papasok yung balance, no?
Yeah, kailangan.
Itong trabaho natin.
Yes. Everything dapat balance. Yeah.
Okay, kuya. So, isa pa sa mga kilala ka bilang the fitness dude.
yeah.
B-boy. Nakikita ko sa mga posts and stories. So, kuya, being in this kind of line of work, sa area natin, lalo na gabi tayo,
Yes.
napapainom tayo ng alak, there's so much vices around us.
Sobra.
Does being fit and yung fitness life mo ba, nakakatulong siya sa work natin ngayon?
Actually, it's a must. Kahit hindi ko siya sabihin nakakatulong, nakikita na siya ng tao na ibang tao. I mean, nire-recommend ko siya, lalo sa buhay natin as nightlife, araw-araw tayong puyat, araw-araw tayong umiinom. Sobrang unhealthy niya. Sobrang unhealthy. Iba, may iba pang ginagawa besides sa inom. So, di ba? You have to balance everything eh. I mean, I can drink whatever I want to drink, pero I make sure na I can sweat it out the next day. I work out every day, I run, para hindi ako guilty na ang dami kong iniinom. Puyat ako araw-araw. So, masyadong naabuso yung katawan. You have to take care of yourself kasi eventually, in the next few years, tatamaan tayo ng sakit na hindi natin hinahanap. Mangyayari siya dahil because of our unhealthy habit. So, as much as possible, as early as now, kailangan na-break natin yung mga bad habits natin into some good habits. Like working out. Yeah, like good stuff. Like,
Tsaka kuya, ito ako personally, tinry ko mag-fit. Ako, striving ako into fitness.
yeah,
Striving
kaya
into
man, bro.
fitness.
Kaya man. I swear.
Ang hirap nun syempre,
Yeah.
nightlife pa lang, burnout
Mahirap siya. Super.
Mental talaga siya, no?
Mental muscle siya eh. Pero I mean, once ang isang bagay kasi pinractice mo, like, meron kang time schedule na yung sinusunod, the more you do it consistently, nagiging habit siya, nagiging natural mo siya. So part siya ng lifestyle mo daily. Parang ako, ganun na. I mean, daily na, kapag shoot ako, pero alam ko daily, I have to run. Parang it's a must for me. So I have to do it, I follow my schedule. Consistently, eventually, di ko na malayan, tuloy-tuloy lang ako, nag-workout pa rin ako.
Word
yeah.
for the one and only RVP, man. So,
So benefit mo pa rin siya for your own good.
of course.
Right.
Kuya, balik tayo sa DJing.
Yeah, DJ.
So as a DJ, venues played,
Yeah.
ano yung mga favorite or top 1 venue na natugtugan mo na?
Top 1 venue.
All in all, sa career mo.
Siguro I can say Epic Boracay. Yeah, kasi one of my goals rin ko siya eh. Tsaka Rebel, pero yung sa Rebel, corporate event. And ang pinaka-best thing sa Rebel nun is, nalagay ako doon sa R&B and hip-hop stuff, which I like. So I played whatever I want to, like hip-hop.
So kuya, what's the future goals naman for
Future
RVP?
goals, yeah. For R&B,
maabangan nila sa'yo?
like a DJ.
Yeah.
I wanted to like play on a bigger stage. Example, Hydro. Or to play with someone with Ron, example, or with Cam, with Jet. Or someone who I look up to. Yeah, or tayo magkasabay na, yung mga new breed na someone we have to excel and then tayo makikita in a bigger stage. Music festivals and out of the country, maybe, probably, yeah. I know. Ayun, basta alam mo kung saan gusto mong gawin, saan gusto mong puntahan. You have to do it, you have to work hard for it. You're gonna reach for it. Yeah, man.
Kuya, DJ scene, nightlife scene, it evolves every year.
Yeah.
Right? So, sa nakikita mo ngayon, on your perspective, what can you say about our nightlife scene right now in the Philippines?
Nightlife, yeah. Siyempre, number one, masyado created yung dami ng DJ. Ang hirap. Marami rin iisa lang yung tunog.
Yeah.
Well, different clubs, different venues, pero you hear everything paulit-ulit.
Yeah.
So parang
Do you
maganda
think it's a problem?
Depends eh. I think sometimes the problem of the bar or sometimes the problem of the DJ, how they handle it. Pero ako, I think, kailangan meron kang authentic na brand or pag sinabing si Kobis, guest dito, meron niyang mga pop, okay, usual. Pero meron din niyang kakaiba na someone yung pupuntahan ng tao. Like for me, minsan, alam naman nila tugtog ko, Gen Z open, pop, ganyan. Pero they know na I play hip-hop na kalagitnaan na gusto rin nila. Nadadala ko naman, in a way. So, ayun, parang okay, may branding pa rin ng semi-hip-hop. Yeah.
Ito kuya, sa mga natugtugan mo na lineups,
Yeah.
sino yung artist na sobrang na-starstruck ka talaga? Na parang, putya, nakasabay ko to.
Actually, di sa pag-ano, pero parang hindi na ako ma-starstruck eh. Kasi,
Sanay ka na no?
yeah, kasi nung nagsushoot ako, parang everyone nakasama ako na artista or whatever na artist. So parang I get used to it. So okay lang. Tsaka parang ayoko masyado maging fanboy na yung dating na hindi naman sa pagmamayabang. Pero syempre as an artist, kailangan medyo artista level ka na eh. So dapat yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, so people would respect, ay, artista levels din to.
Exactly.
Parang dito na.
Exactly.
Parang sila yung, na si RBB, kasabay ko. Dapat ganun yung feeling, di ba?
Late ko na rin na-gets yun.
Ay, di ba?
Dati, pag may nakakasabay ako,
Oo.
picture tayo.
Normal siya. Pero imagine niya, the more na nakita mo, the more na experience mo, kailangan magle-level up. Okay, kaya ko rin to eh. Andito na ako eh. So, parang artist type of level.
Saka parang, mas hindi ka makakonect sa kanila pag
Yes, pag yung masyado.
nakita nilang starstruck ka.
Yes. So, kailangan parang friend naman tayo. Okay, happy ka na ng content, di ba?
Tips
Whoever
and
you
tricks,
are.
guys. Tips and tricks.
Diba?
Kung may tinatarget kayo na artist, gusto yung mga close.
Yeah.
Narinig nyo na kung paano.
Be yourself lang and then self-confident. Siyempre, self-confident. You have to be confident yourself. You have to bring yourself out.
Tsaka may kuwento lang ako, kuya. Alam nyo ba, way back 2018, sobrang addict ko manood ng mga YouTube vlogs ni Tito Ron. Si Kuya RV lagi nakikita ko sa vlogs. Tapos one time
Extra.
nakita kami sa Hydro.
I
Sinabol ko siya,
know.
sabi ko, Kuya, pa-picture ako. Kasi di ako makapagpa-picture kay Ron. And it's been a long way, Kuya. Sobrang saya.
Thank you. I mean, naalala mo ako. No way na yun. Thank you.
Idol pa rin, the best. The best hip-hop DJ right now.
No. Not the best. I'm trying to be one.
So, Kuya, eto, pop-up question. Anong ma-advise mo sa mga upcoming DJs, aspiring DJs na gusto pumasok sa scene?
Ako parang trust the process lang. I mean, practice first before you go out na para, syempre may mga trial and error pa rin. Pero magkamali man, okay lang, lesson learned. And then improve your skills na don't just ride with the flow na ako anong kailangan ng bar, yun yung separate. Kailangan may parang identity kayo, yun nga, parang may authentic sound ka na pag sinabing, eto si DJ ganito, meron something na hinahanap or inaabangan sa'yo. Na, you know, parang gano'n. I mean, just do yourself. Parang huwag mo intindihan sasabihin ng iba. Lahat naman may nasasabi sa'yo, maganda, masama. Basta happy ka.
How do you cope with that?
Yeah, ako parang totally. May masabi man sa akin, other people opinion of me is none of my business.
Yeah.
So, I don't care too much pag may nasabi sila, whatever. As long as ako, happy ako sa ginagawa ko. Wala akong ginagawa masama sa kanila or whatever.
Of course.
Wala ko, dahil lang. I just keep doing my stuff, di ba?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, di ba?
Kuya, for our last question.
Yes.
Ay, second to the last question. Pop-up to. 1, 2, 3. Sorry na, wala. 1, 2, 3. Kuya, as a DJ and artist, syempre, na-build up mo na yung musicality mo as an hip-hop DJ.
Yeah.
Right? Plano mo rin bang pumasok into producing?
Actually, I was trying to ask friends na nagpo-produce ng stuff. Kasi I tried to like make beats probably in future goals. Parang gusto ko rin, interesting siya, yes. And yung mga semi-electronic vibe and trap or hip-hop connected to, and then I can bring artists na pwede mag-lay over ng verse or whatever. Gusto ko rin siya. Eventually, hopefully. Yeah.
How about, ano naman kayo? Ito, last question na pop-up lang rin to. Freestyle. Next.
Freestyle. What do you mean freestyle?
Okay, pop-up question.
Okay.
What can you say about the underground scene right now? Philippine underground scene right now.
Actually, merong sariling level ang underground, pero I'm happy na yung iba nagme-mainstream na sila. And then, na-appreciate na sila ng tao. Na-adapt na nila yung may certain genre talaga. Yung sa mga underground na hindi nila naririnig. Ngayon, narinig nila. Parang okay naman pala. Okay, we try to adapt something new. Hindi lang siya mainstream talaga pakinggan. Pero the more na napupunta na sila doon na sa halos mainstream, masaya na na-appreciate na rin sila ng ibang tao.
Word. You heard it from the one and only RVP. Bago tayo matapos, Kuya. May gusto ko ba i-shoutout? Where can they see you next? Ano yung mga upcomings mo? And everything. Kahit ano.
Shoutout Manila Hypin, 10 years namin. We're composed of DJ, MC, photographers, videographers, graphic artists. Lahat nasa amin na. Ayun.
B-boy rin.
Yeah, B-boying eh. Ano pa ba? Ayun, wala naman. Shoutout sa lahat ng nightlife. Nakikita naman tayo palagi. Ayun lang, ayun. Okay lang.
Shoutouts, guys. Also, big shoutouts to Urban, QC, and Urban Makati for letting us use this venue.
Midnight Rebels pala. Midnight Rebels. Always for the support. Midnight Rebels.
Kuya, thank you so much.
Thank you, Kobe. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Got you.
Thank you, RVP. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Whoops.